The Eversolo Play may be the best way to get into hi-fi on a budget, as Eversolo just announced their new streaming amplifier called Play, yes, with a lowercase p, and a 5.5-inch screen on the front panel is a touchscreen that stands out from the usual boxes you might toss on a shelf. This all-in-one device combines amplification, a DAC, and wireless streaming, designed to turn your living room into a hi-fi setup. While we haven't had hands-on time yet, we've thoroughly reviewed the specs, design, and early impressions of the Eversolo Play to give you our honest take. First, let's take a closer look at the design. Like other Eversolo gear, the Play has the same sleek modern style, but with some key features that make it stand out. The entire base is crafted from CNC machined aluminum alloy and designed as a heatsink. So this ensures efficient heat dissipation to keep the unit running cool even during some extended listening sessions. Now, right at the front, you'll find a 5.5-inch full-color LCD touchscreen that's both responsive and sharp. It's the same style of display that you'll find on the A6 and A8 units, but here it's running a more refined version of Eversolo's customized Android interface. The layout has been updated based on user feedback, and it now simplifies device controls into 6 main sections, which are music services, functions, apps, connect, cloud, and settings. This makes navigating your music settings and sources just a lot faster and more intuitive. The screen is still super responsive, and we also love the options for different album art, view meters, and more that are available when you're playing your music. Now, to the right of the screen, you'll find the volume knob, which has a subtle illuminated ring that you can customize for both the color and the brightness. In terms of size, it's pretty compact, measuring 230 millimeters in both width and length, and about 75 millimeters in height, so it's easy to place on a desk, shelf, or audio rack without taking up too much space. And the Play version weighs around 2.6 kilograms, while the CD edition is slightly heavier, which gives it a reassuring heft without being overly heavy. Overall, the Eversolo Play feels well-built and thoughtfully designed for everyday audio lovers. When it comes to connectivity, the Eversolo Play Streaming Amplifier really doesn't hold back. It's got a solid set of options that make it easy to fit into almost any setup. For starters, you get both dual-band Wi-Fi and a gigabit Ethernet port, so whether you're streaming wirelessly or going for a stable wired connection, you're covered. On the back, there are 2 USB 3.0 ports, handy if you want to plug in external drives for local playback. There's also an HDMI ARC port that supports stereo PCM up to 192 kHz by 24 bits, which makes it pretty convenient if you're planning to connect it to your TV. Bluetooth 5.0 is on board too, with support for SBC and AAC, so casual streaming from your phone or tablet is smooth. Input-wise, you've got a solid lineup: optical, coaxial, and line-in. Now, there's also a built-in phono stage, so you can connect a turntable directly to the Play using the analog inputs on the back. It supports both MM and MC cartridges, so whether you're just getting into vinyl or already have a high-end turntable, the Play has you covered. And outputs include coaxial, USB DAC, and a subwoofer out that's adjustable from 40 to 500 Hz. Overall, the layout feels well thought out and practical, especially for those who want flexibility without clutter. Let's talk about the digital and streaming side of the Eversolo Play. Now, right out of the box, you get really good integration with some major streaming platforms. The Play connects directly to Apple Music, Tidal, Qobuz, Idagio, Amazon Music, Deezer, and more. Each service is accessible from that 5.5-inch touchscreen or through the Play app, making it easy to jump between platforms without needing to switch devices. Now, the Play is also Roon-ready, has Tidal Connect, Spotify Connect, and Bluetooth, and is UPnP compatible. At the heart of this amp, you're getting the AK4493DAC, which is known for delivering clean, detailed sound. And inside, it's got 4 gigs of DDR4 RAM paired with 32 gigs of internal storage, so you're not just streaming. You can keep some of your favorite files right on the device. When it comes to sound performance, the Eversolo Play leans toward a warm, musical presentation that many listeners will find pleasing. It's designed to deliver an engaging and smooth listening experience rather than focusing on hyper-detailed or analytical sound. Based on its specs and the feedback so far, it seems to handle rhythm and dynamics well, with solid bass control and a natural mid-range. Vocals are reported to come through with richness and clarity, and the soundstage offers decent separation and depth. So it may not appeal to those looking for a super revealing or ultra-precise amplifier, as it tends to smooth over some of the finer details. But for casual listening or long sessions, that relaxed character can be a real plus. So here's our verdict on the Eversolo Play. It's more than just a streaming amp. It's really a complete music hub designed to handle everything from high-resolution streaming to vinyl playback and TV audio and CDs. And for those just getting into high-performance audio, this new Eversolo Play offers an accessible way to experience premium sound without the complexity of separate components. And for even more seasoned listeners, it's a really versatile solution that can integrate into almost any system while still delivering that signature Eversolo sound. And you can grab it for around $699. There is also the CD edition, which includes a built-in Hitachi LG optical CD-ROM drive for CD playback and ripping, priced at $799. It's not the most forensically resolving performer out there, but the sound quality is still impressive for the price. So whether you're setting up a new music system, upgrading an existing one, or just looking for a simple way to enjoy high-quality sound, this play is absolutely worth considering. So, do you see the Eversolo Play fitting into your setup, or are you holding out for something else? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.